Terrorists bomb Abuja Kaduna rail track, attack train passengers. Suspected terrorists on the evening of Monday, 28 March, bombed Abuja Kaduna rail tracks and attacked a train with about 970 passengers on board. It was gathered that the Kaduna-bound train derailed after the explosive device planted by the terrorists went off underneath one of the coaches. A nurse, Iro Danmusa, who claimed to be a passenger on the train, said the attackers shot at the train and that passengers hid under the seats to avoid being hit by bullets. Villagers along Abuja Kaduna Road called to confirm hearing multiple gunshots and attack on the Abuja Kaduna train by terrorists. Shehu Sani, a former Nigerian senator from Kaduna State, said on Twitter. The passengers were later rescued by Nigerian troops, a Kaduna State official later said in a statement. Relevant actions agencies were urgently contacted and robust deployments of personnel were swiftly made to the area to secure the passengers on board. Commissioner of Internal Security and Home Affairs in the state, Samuel Arwan, said, efforts are ongoing to convey the passengers from the location, and others that sustained injuries have been rushed to hospitals for urgent medical attention. The attack on the train came days after terrorists attacked a village close to the Kaduna International Airport, where an aircraft was prevented from taking off on schedule. The Nigerian Railway Corporation (NRC) has since suspended operations along the route. Dear passengers, due to unforeseen circumstances, train operations along the Abuja Kaduna route have been temporarily suspended. Further communication will be given in due course, NRC tweeted Tuesday, 29th March. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.